Begin by removing the two center under trays. Then remove the rear splash guard to reveal the rear chassis braces. Unbolt and remove both. Next, remove the tunnel brace to gain access to the exhaust. Support the exhaust. Then loosen the two clamps at the ends of the downpipes. Underneath the rear differential, pull the two exhaust hangers off. Then loosen the single exhaust clamp on the driver's side. At the rear of the car, unclip the muffler valve connectors. Then, on both sides, it is hard to see, but there are two bolts that need removing to drop both mufflers. Once those are unbolted, pull the shorter driver's side portion down and forward out of the exhaust tips and off of the car. Then, with an extra set of hands, pull the remaining exhaust down, forward, and off of the car. With the exhaust out of the way, remove the heat shields covering the driveshaft. Then unbolt and remove the last tunnel brace and you will have access to the driveshaft carrier. Make a cut on either side of the carrier frame. Then unbolt it from the car and cut the frame away from the bearing with a razor blade. Cut the remaining excess rubber off of the bearing until it's flush with the base layer of rubber, but keep that base layer of rubber intact. Do not cut all the way down to bare metal. Your bearing should look like this when you're done. Now you can install the new carrier. Start with the top half with the bushing in it and slide it over top of the bearing with the text facing the front of the vehicle. Then bring the bottom half up to meet it and connect the two together using the provided Allen bolts. Loctite is recommended. As you tighten the bolts, switch back and forth from left to right so the bolts don't bind in the holes. A small gap may form between the two bushings. This is normal. To mount it to the car, start with one of the provided shoulder bolts, add a fender washer, an isolation damper, small end facing up, slide it up through the carrier, Add another damper facing down, and the small gold washer on top. Loosely thread it into the car. Repeat these steps on the other side. Bolt, fender washer, isolation damper with the small end facing up through the carrier, another damper facing down, and the small gold washer on the very top. Tighten both bolts to the car. Reinstall your heat shields, exhaust, under trays, and tunnel braces, and your installation is complete. You may notice during installation that there are two threaded holes on one side of the carrier, and your new one might bolt into a different hole than your OEM carrier. We have two models that are interchangeable, so this is nothing to worry about.